In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this pattern where you get a cross on 2 faces and a diagonal on the other 4. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we just need to use an algorithm, and that algorithm we've already learned. That algorithm is the RLFB repeated 3 times. So if we just did the first part, RLFB, 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 we get the pattern that we've learnt before. And then if we turn the cube upwards like this, and then repeat the same algorithm. So we go R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B. And then that gives us the cross, and then we get a diagonal on every face. Incidentally, if you want to know what the notation is for turning it up like that, it's actually a small r in square brackets. Square brackets, think of as a cube, and then you turn it like that. This would be the r, it'll be a small r in square brackets, and then you can write it down as an algorithm. Or an x, it's also known as an x. For example, that would be x, that would be y, that would be z. Also, small r in square brackets, small u in square brackets, small f in square brackets. So to undo this pattern, you want the cross on the left and the right faces, and then it doesn't matter which face you start from. Start from one of these faces with diagonal on it, so your cross is on the side, and then just repeat the same algorithm. So we go R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, and then we need to turn it up that way, which is small r in square brackets, and then R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B. And there we are, back to a completed Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos, and also if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.